Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Lexus. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 111,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 33 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, and leather seats. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.